Everyone, if crystals are your vibe or you want to learn more about them, this is something you don't want to miss. The world famous Tucson Gem and Mineral Show. Jamie Inglett of Enchanting Earth Co. joins us now with insider tips and more. So good to see you.
Good to see you too. Thank you for having me.
Oh yeah, you might recognize her from the internet because she has a lot of things that go viral all the time, including all of her crystals, which is great. When did you get into crystals? What inspired you?
When I was a little girl, my dad and my grandparents were really into rocks. They would always bring them back on vacation. So it started when I was a little kid.
Oh my gosh, I love that. And then you went to the Tucson Gem and Mineral Show and it inspired you to move here.
Yes, we fell in love with Arizona, not just coming to the shows, but the land too.
Yeah, inspired you to come out. In fact, you ended up opening your own store, which is beautiful. Tell me more about that.
Yeah, we love being in Sedona. I charge all of our crystals and jewelry in the Vortex, and we have a huge selection of rare stones.
I know. I was just telling you, the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills were just charging their crystals in the Vortex, everyone. So pretty fancy there. And we're looking at your store too. You have so many different things, rings and necklaces. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so we like going to the Tucson show to source the gems for our jewelry. We're handpicking each one and designing the setting for it, so it's really fun.
Okay, now we're showing some of the items that you have. Do you have any favorite crystals?
Yeah, I love moldavite. That was actually...
Okay, hold on. Which one is that?
Moldavite.
Can we see it? Which one is that?
Over here.
Okay.
It's this green one.
Okay, so this green, why do you like this?
It's actually a tektite, so it's a natural glass, but it's a stone of transformation and abundance, and it helps you on your life path. I got one 2 weeks before we started Enchanting Earth.
Oh, wow. That's exciting. Okay, that's number one. What's another one that we should look out for?
I love tourmalines. They come in a wide range of colors, and they have really great energy.
And where are those here that we could find?
Right here. I have 2 trays of
These
tourmalines.
2 trays, they are. Okay, and tell me again what makes them special?
They're piezoelectric, so you can set an intention with a tourmaline and it's going to vibrate that energy out.
Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, now you were picking these gems at the show. For someone who's never been to the big show, I used to live in Tucson, and let me tell you, people shut down, they go down there. It's so much fun.
Yeah, it's the world's largest show. There's about 50 different shows in Tucson and about 3,300 different vendors. And one thing that's really interesting is one vendor will have it priced a certain level, and then you might find it at a lot of different other vendors.
Well, and the cool thing is, it's not like you have to own your own store and that you're looking for gems. I mean, you can do that, but you can also be just a consumer and go cruise down there and find all sorts of things.
Yeah, it's really fun. One thing that surprises people is that not every stone is natural. They will have sometimes enhanced stones, lab grown like this one, or even synthetic completely, and they're not always labeled. So it's really important to be cautious if you're a buyer, or you can work or follow someone like myself that's an expert, and I'm going to teach you all about the different stones.
Yeah, you educate a lot online, which is great. If someone is just starting out, me and Rachel totally fell in love with these little bracelets. They're so glittery. They're so cute. You carry these in your store too, right?
Yeah, those are the micro-faceted gemstone bracelets.
Love them. They're so cute. Where should you start, though, if you're just starting out with crystals?
Start with clear quartz. Maybe not one this big.
I was like, well, I don't know.
Maybe like a tumble, but it's the most universal. It's known as the master healer. You can set any intention with it, and it's the most affordable because it's so abundant.
Okay, and it's called what?
Clear quartz.
God, this is so neat. And will we be able to find that at the Gem and Mineral Show?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Lots of it.
Okay, lots of that. And then tell me, too, about your education and what you do online.
Yeah, I like to share a lot of free content teaching people about different stones because there's a lot of shady practices in the gem and mineral world where things aren't always labeled appropriately.
All right.
So it's really important to be discerning as a consumer.
All right. Well, thanks for bringing all of this beautiful jewelry and stones in. And you can learn more, everyone, at the website on your